Dan.
I just happened to be writing a new one. Called Margot's Cargo.
Have you heard the news in Newfoundland, rolling around the rock? How Reggie brought for Margie home a cowsy dumsy clock. With Margie being a farm girl, she almost
No, it was there.
to find the cowsy
It was
dumsy
there.
clock was really made of tin. The clock was from Toronto, and her mind was soon made up. She said to Reggie, get the cow and load her on the truck. We're heading for Ontario, and we're off to make her big. 'Cause Margot's got the cargo by and Reggie's got the rig. Reggie's got the rig. Reggie's got the rig. Margot's got the cargo by and Reggie's got the rig. Now they're rolling through the Maritimes, the truck was nearly full. The cow began to bawl, she was lonesome for the bull. The Mountie pulled them over, is there something I can do? Go right ahead, sir, Margie said, climb in the back and move. Now when they got to Montreal, they missed the auto route. But they found that everyone in town was glad to help them out. The sooner you hit Toronto, they said, the sooner you'll make her big. 'Cause Margot got the cargo by and Reggie's got the rig. Reggie's got the rig. Reggie's got the rig. Margot's got the cargo by and Reggie's got the rig. Now the truck was overflowing when Toronto hit the rise. The 401 was full of dung and the cab was full of flies. We're losing lots of money, Reg. We can't afford to stop. We gotta find the place that takes the cows and the clock.
Zachary, you're a fucking you're a jerk.
They always talk about Waldo.
Nice tidy whities.
And when she found the office, she was singing and doing a jig. Margot's got the cargo buys and Reggie's got the rig. Reggie's got the rig.
Fonzie's got the rig.
I'm missing a pair of pants. It's probably in there.
Probably
It's not in there.
in this general direction.
It's not in there.
Yeah. Or probably in that general direction.
It's not in here either.
You haven't looked.
Oh, see that.
Mm-hmm.
Don't get raped. Here, I'll rape you.
Fonzie, you have needs to fuck? No, I have one. Jax. Actually, but Chico fucked the shit out of Dad.
Was that today?
It was like 25 minutes ago.